The mission of Neighborhood and Community Services is to connect our participants, community members with resources and partners. The services that we provide in Neighborhood and Community Services are Fast Tran, which is our paratransit unit, Therapeutic Recreation, which is our programming for people with disabilities. We also have center-based programs at our community centers, teen centers, and senior centers. And we also provide basic needs as well as child care services through the Office for Children.
Fairfax County's Department of Neighborhood and Community Services serves nearly 1 million residents in one of the largest counties in the country. We accept interns year-round in social work, occupational therapy, therapeutic recreation, human services, and many other fields of study. Interns are valued team members, helping to expand and enhance our services. They provide direct service, administrative support, and assist with special projects.
I did my senior internship with Neighborhood and Community Services, and I did a number of different programs. I was really interested in a community-based programming, and so a lot of the different programs that I did were inclusion programs.
A lot of my responsibilities during my internship were program planning and implementing, as well as being the lead for certain programs. So for some of those programs, I was a classroom leader, leading all the activities. And then for another program like Caregivers Night Out, I was actually the program planner. So I did all of the organization and all the registration, as well as then implementing those programs. So actually being at the sites.
One of the things I did with the internship was what they call a meal run, and it was delivering food for seniors, and that was a lot of fun because you got to meet a lot of people. You got to see how helpful you can be to your community.
I also was an intern with NCS, and I was able to complete my requirements for my master's program. That goes to show you that you have opportunities that can really help you progress through your career. So it's not just about entering as a college sophomore, junior, or senior, but you can also be an intern with NCS at other steps or parts of your progression in your career.
Completing an internship with NCS will allow you to be a part of a world-class county government system. Earn academic credit at the college and graduate school level. Obtain experience in a variety of different fields and enhance your academic coursework. Explore diverse career options and work with professionals in your area of study.
It's really neat being able to go from that position of being an intern to supervising interns. I really feel passionate about advocating for my interns. So when I have an intern come with me into the sensory room and working in the community center with me, I like to make sure that they can observe as much as they can and then really start to implement and design their own programs, as well as experience programs, events, activities outside of my regular job duties.
After my internship, I was offered a position to assist Neighborhood and Community Services to start a new senior pilot program for senior citizens. And it was an inclusive program, and it was a wonderful program that led me to where I am today, which is Fairfax County's Adult Day Healthcare Program.
When you come an intern with Neighborhood and Community Services, it's not like your average intern opportunity. We talked about having vast and large or diverse opportunities to intern, but people who usually intern with us come because it gives them an opportunity to really connect with community members and to have those meaningful engagements and to help our clients and our participants develop in their life and in their situations and to help them with their well-being.
The most satisfying moment is always seeing them smile. That's always been my favorite part. It's almost like when you work at any job, but when they say thank you, you've been a great help. Moments like that, it's the most rewarding feeling ever.
One particular child that was visually impaired, I was his leisure coach, and at the end of my internship he didn't need me anymore because he could go through the class independently, and that to me was something that was impactful, and it helped me throughout my career.
I think we have something for everyone that is interested in working in the recreation, leisure, social service, or even transportation field. And we are truly the connection or the glue that keeps a lot of our other sister agencies together and integrated. So NCS is not just a fun place to work and to intern, but it's also a meaningful place.
Make a difference by completing an internship with Neighborhood and Community Services.